I've been trying Aven Physio Lift products for about a month, 3 weeks, a month. I noticed results after 2 weeks. There are 3 products that I think are just fantastic, not just because of their effectiveness, but also because of their cost. The latest release in the Aven Physio Lift range is the serum, smoothing and plumping serum. Yes, please, thank you. I'll take both of those. So this is called a skin architect. I love that. It's kind of new beauty lingo, which means that it works on your skin from within to architect, design better looking skin. So how does it do that? It has got 2 types of hyaluronic acid, which is the very best thing for aging skin that's losing volume. That's going to help re-sculpt your face, and also a high dose of antioxidants, which are going to retexturize, brighten, do all the things that, well, you know, you want your skin to look as close as it was to when you were a baby. Really, that's what we all want. This is my other favorite, the Aven Physio Lift Wrinkle Filler. It's for deep furrows and lines. Don't you love the French? They just cut to the chase. We want those deep lines away. Yes, we do. I love it because it's gadget-like. It's almost in a syringe sort of pen. But the reason that it's so great, apart from you can actually apply it where you need it, this is an opaque container which measures your dosage, but also is going to keep the retinol stable, because retinol does not like light and retinol does not like air, and so this will keep it stable and fresh and working harder for longer. Thank you very much. You probably in your life have come across thermal spring water. It is the foundation of all Aven products. They all have thermal spring water in them, but this one is in a can, vaporized, and you keep it in the fridge. You get the travel one, you take it on a plane. But if you want to calm your skin down instantly, this, I promise you, will do it. It's addictive. I mean, you will become addicted. I'm not going to pretend you won't, but there's something magic in this water that just takes everything and goes whoosh. Even sounds like shoo. Heaven.